My name is Jeff Wilson, and I'm the President and CEO of Precipitate Gold Corporation. We trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange, the Venture Exchange, under the symbol PRG. We're an early stage exploration company. We're focused in two key jurisdictions, in the Dominican Republic and in Mexico with the new acquisition we've acquired there. So our focus is to acquire early stage assets with significant upside potential and do early stage exploration focused on potential discoveries. Our flagship asset right now is called the Wanda Herrera project, and that's in the Dominican Republic. And the key there is that that project is located adjacent to a company called GoldQuest, who had some quite significant success last year with the discovery of their Romero project. And so we've got about 40 kilometers along the concession boundaries at GoldQuest property. And so we're doing early stage exploration, sampling and mapping on that project right now. The government in the Dominican Republic has made a number of changes in recent years to increase foreign investment and exploration in the country. They have changed a lot of their political regime to allow for a more streamlined system. So that, combined with the mineral endowment, there's a significant amount of gold, copper and silver known in the country. We think it's a good place to be. Well, I guess one of the keys for our company is that it's a relatively new company. We just IPO'd last May. So our share structure is really quite tight. We've only got 25 million shares out. And so we're an early stage company that has the potential to acquire assets, build the company without having to overly dilute the stock at these levels. Well, 2013 for us will be a key year, as it's going to be the year that we drill on both fronts, both in the Dominican Republic and in Mexico. So we expect to do our first phase drill programs in both countries on both projects by late summer, early fall, and we think that'll be a real catalyst for determining the potential of these projects. Well, I guess these markets are difficult, and I think to assume that I have the key for how people can make money would be inaccurate. But I think the real key for us, fundamentally, myself as an investor, is to look at management, projects, and where those projects are located. So, you know, for us, I think you bet on the jockey, not the horse. And I think when you've got a team who have been successful, as we do, a number of our board members have been successful in recent years. So not just successful in the industry, but successful in difficult markets, and knowing how to navigate companies through difficult markets. I think that's critical. So, you know, at some point the markets are going to turn around and the rising tide will lift all boats. But I think for us right now, it's all about the people and acquiring the right projects.